Hi everyone, my name is Thomas. Today we're at the University of Queensland on a beautiful sunny day to attend Formal Methods Australia. We're going to be meeting researchers who are pushing the state of the art on formal methods to ask them one very important question. Why should students study formal methods? Okay, see you later. Okay, so I'm here with...
I'm a PhD student at ANU and I'm currently working on formal methods for concurrency.
Christine, who's Carla?
Carlo from ANU, working in programming languages and gradual typing.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm one of the PhD graduates here at University of Queensland. I do a whole bunch of work in formal methods.
Yeah, I'm Ali. I'm a PhD student at ANU working on technology.
I'm Liam O'Connor. I'm a senior lecturer at the ANU. I've done so much work in different parts of programming languages and formal methods and all sorts of other things, but that's really where my heart is formal methods.
Hi, I'm Selene from UNIML. I'm working with automatic theory improvers, also programming languages and memory safety.
And so why should students study formal methods?
Because coding is hard, but making sure that the code is safe and secure is entirely different, and that's really important.
Because you really need to know what your programs are doing if you're a computer scientist or if you want to call yourself a scientist of any kind.
I mean, look, first of all, just because formal methods are really cool and fun, but for a more substantial reason, I think formal methods give us a great way of thinking carefully about what computers do, and then building good understanding of how these systems work beyond just sort of the nice things, the happy path, the things that we like working well, to build a fundamental idea of how these systems are actually working, and so we can understand them and do even cooler things with them.
It's really exciting stuff, especially when you get to actually work with systems that do have errors and bugs in them that you can find with formal verifications. If you look into bugs like the Spectre or the Meltdown bug that have had huge consequences in reality, as well as other bugs like TimSort and the leap year bugs, formal methods allow us to actually find these errors, correct them, and produce better code. And you're the ones that are going to be searching for them.
You can learn lots of cool things. You can reason about computers in a very interesting way. I don't know any computer science. I don't have any programming background, but I'm doing computer science just because I'm doing formal methods. So it's a great way to get into computer science, to learn about and think about computers.
And I think the reason why everyone should be interested in formal methods is because you can apply it to real stuff. It's fun, but also you can gain some really deep insights. Connections to mathematics, to physics, to all sorts of stuff. Really deep understanding of systems and the way humans interact with systems and mathematical theories. I think all of that is just really important, and it's great to get all these people together in an event like FMOz to learn from each other and to celebrate.
Why should students consider coming to FMOz next year?
Students should consider attending because you will surprise all the applications of formal methods. You also learn about exciting projects other people are working on. Besides that, because you will meet very cool people and have a really fun time. So yeah, come next year.
Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you so much, Liam. Awesome. Thank you so much for your answer. Thank you so much.